Alright, so here's a quick one for you. I've got this ghost control gate system set up here at this site at work, and I just went through the effort of buying locks and getting some locking clevis pins so that someone can't just, do that and pull the pin out and, push the gate open or closed, because, that's not a security risk at all, and, it should probably come with these to begin with. And I just learned something interesting. So, the forward end of this gate arm does not fit the locking clevis pin. So the locking clevis pin is like 7/16, and this is like 3/8. I don't know why. Or I think this is probably 5/16. But why? Why is that a different size? What possessed them to do that? It's not like it's, not thick enough here on the front end. So I'm going to do the stupid thing. I'm going to take this 15-30 seconds drill bit, and I'm just going to drill clear through both this bracket and this front of the arm, and put a locking clevis pin on it, because I see absolutely no reason why that shouldn't work. It's not a crazy amount, less material. It's only 1/8 of an inch, split across both sides. So, yeah. I'm going to drill right through this son of a bitch, and right through both of these, and wallow out this here nylon washer. And if that works, I'll let you know. But that's a simple mod to, be able to not just do this with any old gate, because this thing is, not locked. It's stupid. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to take the gamble on this, so I'll let you know if it works. Alright, well, that's been done. No major fuss at all. Drilled right through it. No major issues. It's just solid aluminum the whole way through. I don't know why they designed it this way, but now I've got to go figure out how to drill through this nylon washer without a table vise. So I think I'm going to go hope I have a set of vice grips or at least some pliers, and try and drill through it. And I had to step up to a 31/64, the 15/16, or sorry, the whatever the hell it was. The 15/32 or 15/32 was just ever so slightly too small, but a 31/64 worked just fine. 1/2 inch worked fine too. Well, holding that inside of the wire cutters on a set of lineman pliers actually worked pretty well for that. So I'm gonna go throw this on, and that should be the end of that, I hope. There, now that's been done. That actually didn't take too much fight at all. Really do not understand why they went with that design. Whatever. But it seems to be a pretty simple fix. I'm using a really light gate, so I'm not worried about, removing that, 1/8 of an inch of material out of this, 1.25 inch wide chunk of aluminum, having any impact on the, strength of this gate, because I'm not putting any significant load on it anyway to begin with. So I think that should be good enough for my needs. I took the risk for you, so if this helped you out, go down there, like the video, comment, tell me if I could have done it better. I mean, that was pretty straightforward. Don't think I really could have. Yeah, if you want to see more stuff with gates, probably don't subscribe here, but if you want to see me work on a bunch of small engines and other garbage, go down there and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm out.